everyone, this is Komal from Singapore and welcome to my channel Komal's Vision. Let me show you our Ganapati celebration. Last 2 years also I have made the videos of our Ganapati celebration, Ganapati puja, our visarjana, everything. This year I am giving you video in the very short. If you want a brief how to do the puja, just follow the previous links. I have given the links in the description box. Let me show you our Ganapati celebration here in Singapore. We had a small bhajan program on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. It's like a small ladies gathering. We friends came together and we had a bhajan and we enjoyed it a lot. Our puja is done yesterday. Everything is went nicely. So many things I have cooked for the Naivedya. And today is the day of Visarjana. Here you cannot do the Visarjana into the river or a sea. It's not allowed here in Singapore. If it's not allowed in a river or a sea, then let me show you how we are doing our Ganapati Visarjana here in Singapore. Let's go for the Visarjana. Now recently this new thing have started. They have permitted to do the Visarjana in the ocean. There are few beaches around Singapore where you can go for the Ganapati idol Visarjan, but during this Visarjan your idol should be clay. It should be complete organic clay idol. Only then you can do the Visarjan. Also along with that idol there should not be any flower or any food or any money. Nothing should be there. It should be just the clay idol. Then you can do the Visarjan in the ocean on a particular day in a given time slot. Also in my same condo we have visited the Ganapati celebration at my friend's house. This is the first Ganapati Bappa. This one is Ashwini's Ganapati Bappa which we have visited. And the second Ganapati Bappa is Priyanka's Ganapati Bappa. We have taken the blessings of Ganapati Bappa along with the family. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Stay tuned with Komal's Vision. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.